Hey, this is 101 Garage with the feature motorcycle of the day. This is a 2007 Aprilia. It's an RSV 1000R factory. There's only 200 of them made. She's liquid cooled and she has around 140 horsepower or 102, 103 kilowatts at 9,500 RPMs. Her torque was like 80 pounds. I don't know what the Newton meters would be. Is that 108, 109? Anyway, she's a 6-speed transmission. She holds about 5 gallons of gas. This one has different exhaust. We do have the factory exhaust. I really think that's pretty cool. I think it was 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. That's 100 kilometers. And then I think it was 0 to 100 miles per hour was like 4.9, if I remember right. So not much more than 0 to 60. Anyway, the quarter mile was around 11 second quarter mile, and that was at about 134 miles an hour. Aprilia's top speed's like 172 miles an hour, or I think that's around 278 kilometers an hour, 279. She's a little dusty. We start her every week, and she rumbles. She doesn't sound like a sport bike, she rumbles. So it's a nice bike. I'm not positive, but I think it has some sort of dry sump system. I'm not really familiar with that part, but she's pretty. I'm not seeing another one around Arizona. If you guys have one or know anything about it, I'd love to hear back from you in the comments. Please subscribe to 101 Garage Arizona and let us know if you want to see any bikes. We're going to try to feature a bike at least once a week. Again, this is Aprilia, 2007 Aprilia. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.